Hi, probably like most of you guys, after a while you start running out of USB ports in your computer. So today I just received this 10-port USB 3.0 hub, and I want to give you a short review and a couple of close-ups on it. So this hub is pretty fast, 5 gigabits per second, and those are independent switches, so you can turn them on and off. It comes, of course, with the switch, its own power supply, and special cable and instruction. So this part goes to the USB hub, and this is USB 3.0. So this USB hub is powered by 12 volts DC, 3 amps. All 10 ports are USB 3.0 with individual switches, so you can switch them on and off. On the side we have connectors. On the other side there's a little ventilation area. Okay, so I've connected my hub to the back of my computer to USB 3 connector. If you want your external hard drive to work properly, I've read different reviews and people were saying that their external hard drives were not working. Make sure you connect it to the back of your computer. And as you can see, I can turn on and off individual USB ports. So now I'm gonna start connecting my devices. So I'm gonna connect my headphones first, USB, let's say this one. Oh, I have to turn it on. Beautiful, it works. Now this is my external hard drive. Seagate external hard drive with the external power supply. I don't like this hard drive to work all the time because I want to prolong its life. So if I don't use it, I just eject it and use it only when I need to. So let's plug it into one of the ports. Okay. And let's wait for indicator light. Right here. Alrighty. Perfect. I see the light. And here's my external hard drive. So this is perfect solution to have 10 ports at an easy access point. So I'm gonna connect my camcorder and I want to see if the transfer is gonna be fine. And let's go back to my computer. And I see that the drive has been recognized. And this is my camcorder. Perfectly, I'm ready to import it. So it's a really nice, great way to have easy access to 10 USB ports. Especially good for those that have a lot of devices. If you don't want to crawl under your desk every single time you need to reach for an empty port, that's a great thing to have. Thanks for watching, guys. Goodbye.